So here's our whole duck. As with every bird, we have our two breasts, the wings, and the legs. First, we want to ensure the protein we're working with is dry, and this will help when we perform our cuts in order to make clean incisions. Now within the cavity, your duck should come with the neck and sometimes the giblets. Make sure to also pat the inside of the cavity as well. Now similar to our chicken, we're going to separate the wing flat from the drumette. And there's our flat with tip. And with duck, you really need to stretch out that wing as it can be super tight to the shoulder blade. Next, we're going to remove the legs. So here's the back of the thigh that runs along the entire length of the backbone. And we want to make sure our slit is towards the leg and not the breast. This is so we can keep as much skin on the breast as possible. Just like our chicken, we'll make our slit. And you'll need a sharp knife here, as duck skin is extremely thick. Once we have our slit, we'll bend that leg back to expose the femur bone. We'll then cut along the backbone, following the curvature of the spine. And there's our whole duck leg. We'll trim some of this fat. And there's our clean duck leg. And this fat we'll keep and use later on. We'll do the same with the other leg. And this knife would have benefited from a quick sharpening on my whetstone, as I forgot just how thick duck skin can be. And here, as you can see, the backbone is flat and the leg runs all the way down, unlike a chicken. I'll trim some of the excess fat. And there's our second duck leg. Now where the neck used to be, I'll remove some of the fat and reserve to the side. I'll then go ahead and remove the backbone, just like we did with the chicken. And here I'm just working my knife around the back of the breastplate and backbone. And there's our long backbone, which is essentially the spinal column of the duck. And here's our beautiful crown. Next, I'll remove any excess skin from the front of the crown. I'll then flip the bird over and continue. So here's our center bone between both breasts. We'll then proceed with removing them in the same way we did with the chicken. The difference with the duck, however, is the bone beneath the breast is somewhat flat. As you can see, the breasts of the duck are not curved downwards, but sit flat on top of the breastplate. And again, I'm just working closely against the bone using the tip of my knife. And here you can see the collarbone of the duck, which I'll simply work around. Working around that rib cage, I'm then going to work my way up towards the joint that connects the drumette and shoulder. And you simply need to locate the joint and slice right through. Once disconnected, the breast is removed like so. And there's our duck breast. We'll then angle our knife and remove the drumette. We'll then remove the tenderloin from the breast. And there's a ton of sinew on here and excess skin, which I'll then begin to trim off. Now you want to remove some excess skin, but not too much or else it won't entirely cover the breast as it should. And here's some silver skin, which I'll place my knife under, then once loose, I can hold with my fingertips and slice off. And you always want to go under one way and then remove in the opposite direction. So again, under, then I'll turn my knife and go the opposite way. And there's our beautiful duck breast. With the second breast, I'll pull the skin to the side so that it's easier for my knife to cut through. And here I'm using my paring knife because it's slightly sharper than my cook's knife at the moment. And just take your time, make sure you use the pointer method and stay close to that bone. There's our joint that connects the drumette to the shoulder. And once removed, here's our breastplate. As you can see, completely cleaned. I'll remove the drumette and then begin to remove any excess skin, cartilage, sinew, and silver skin. I'll peel off the tenderloin as well. And when you're removing silver skin, make sure to point your knife upwards as you want to avoid poking into the flesh. And there's our second breast. So here we have our legs, our breasts, tenderloins, our reserved duck skin, our breastplate, the neck, drumettes, and wing flats with tips. And finally, our backbone. Now I forgot this backbone has a ton of skin, so to remove, it's the same technique as if you were trimming off silver skin. We go under and out, then remove in the opposite direction. And that is how you break down a whole duck.